Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm back to show you how to make the daisy granny square using treble crochet stitch. So this is slightly different than the previous one, which we used double crochet. This is using trebles, like incomplete trebles in the second round, and it's using trebles in the corners. So we're gonna see how to make it. So we'll start with the slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. In the 4th chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 11 double crochet. So the initial chain, I should get total of 12 double crochet. So I will join with a slip stitch to the top chain 3, initial chain 3. I will fasten off. And I will join a new color from any stitch. Pull the new color and I will chain 4. So in the same stitch as the chain 4, I'm gonna make 2 incomplete trebles. So the treble is yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2 again and hold. Again, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2. I've got 3 loops on my hook, pull through all, chain 2. Now what I'm gonna do for the next stitch and the rest of the stitches, the second one, I'm gonna make 3 incomplete trebles joined together. So again, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over again twice, pull through 2 once, pull through 2 twice, 3 loops, yarn over twice and repeat. So I've got 3 incomplete trebles and 4 loops. I'm gonna join through all and chain 2. So I should get at the end 12 puffs, trebles puffs. So next stitch, And here I'm gonna finish my last puff stitch. And join, chain 2 and join to the top, chain 4. So I should have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now again, I'm gonna change the color. And I'm gonna join back the pink color. So you can even use one color if you want, it's up to you. So with the pink I'm gonna join in any space. And now we'll start making the corner first. So I'm gonna chain 4. And I'm gonna make 2 trebles, so yarn over twice and work 1 treble and second treble, chain 2 and 3 trebles in the same space. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, total of 3 times. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. In the next 2 spaces I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. Next space. Okay. In the next space again I'm gonna make the second corner, which is 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles. And this is the first side complete. I'm gonna repeat in the next 2 spaces 3 double crochet. and again in the next space a corner, 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles. Three double crochet in the next space, three double crochet again in the next space, and again corner with the trebles. Chain 2, and the last 2 spaces 3 double crochet each. And join with a slip stitch to the top of the initial chain 4, pull through and cut the yarn. And this is how you get the daisy granny square using treble crochet instead of double, same like this one over here. I hope the tutorial was clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.